Okay, so I'm going to play that clip again, but in slow motion, and just keep your eyes out. As soon as the lancers meet and they smash to pieces and the wood flies everywhere, that's when the orb flies out of the wall to the left, and it travels just above the curtain which is separating the two horses. As soon as the lancers meet each other and explode, that kind of triggers this orb to fly out from the left, as you'll see. As you can see, it's moving all the way across the curtain in the middle of the screen. Now I'm going to slow the clip down even further and zoom in at the same time. So if you couldn't catch it in the first two clips, you most certainly will in the third clip. Now I've analysed this clip really closely, and what it isn't is a bird, because nothing can fly as true and straight as that. It's also not an insect, and last of all, it's definitely not a sun flare, as on this particular day it was grey overcast and not really a nice day, to be honest. The sun did not penetrate through the clouds at all day. So that's debunking the sun flare, an insect or a bird. Keep playing it back, keep analysing it, and just see what you think it is. I personally think it's some kind of orb. I know not many people believe in ghostly apparitions and things, and at Bolsover Castle they've got some right history tracing well back to 11th century, so who knows what went off before Bolsover Castle was built in the 1600s. All I can think is some kind of orb. Just see what you think it is.